Machita amaGrootman Kaizer Chiefs ise Cape Town Stellenbosch FC Nedbank Cup last 32 bafethu. Kule video ngizawuthetha ngeway esithandayo thina sizi fans ne players zithandayo. Icoach Kaizer Chiefs yakhalaza yona, ziyakhalaza coaches bye thina sizi fans we love this. Ngcola ngale way apha kule video bafethu. The problem icoaches izilibele ukukhalaza ngayo. What is that? Kaizer Chiefs idlala match. I think the match is this is match number 4 in like 12 days. And lewe yaba force ke ngoku coach ba maba change isquad akuqasha lo gym maba rotate isquad. Lewe ke njengoba sindayithanda mina plus nezi players ngithatha ngazo apha. Lewe isinika a chance bathina sisi fans masibone more players zonke squad players basemadlali. Yabo because sonke sisi fans sine players esizithandayo. Every time we fan ngoba ngubani asoze ayikho imatch starting lineup qomba jonga nazi players zakho zonke soloko ikhona i1 kanye 2 kanye 3 kanye 4 i-favorite players zakho uzithanda uzibukela azikho team azikho lineup adlali. So ngoku ischedule siyaba force ke ngoba sijonga abadlali i-players abangazitrust 100% zodlala apha kule match Stellenbosch futhi. And askisi ngokuphazamisa Machita, xa singalibali usupport i-channel, ushaye nje u-like okanye if eqala udibana ne-channel ungalahli ungaphosa ziwezi grand ushaye usubscribe sileqa u20,000 subscribers bafethu. Andicela marandi bafethu, ngicela nje usubscribe okanye u-like mojo bafethu. And i-players zayithanda le winners because like i-player akho player ezothi ba Kaizer Chiefs zanifumana i-chance nazi ngokuthi azifumana i-chances zodlala opportunity bayise umuntu ngoba uyahamba Kaizer Chiefs angahle bazangayifumana i-chance. And le match Stellenbosch sekwi pattern futhi ngoku it's almost like i-Chiefs in a team ezithu because of i-CAF ne schedule. Zikhona i-players bezidlalile kula match eMarumo Gallants kuba zabakhona izidlala Sunday against iZesco. Izidlala against iMarumo Gallants zophinda izidlala ke ngoku le match Stellenbosch. And I think i-favorites ezininzi apho bazidivide le match le team idlala ke-CAF inazi favorites i-fan favorites ezininzi. At the same time nale is almost like 50-50 apha kule game. I can almost guarantee you bafethu ba excel uzodlala Arsenal level ebhayi sibaninzi abancanywayo la boy izodlala kule game. I-coaches azina choice bangazimdlali mtshana uzophinda adlale home city yakhe in front of his family, his friends. Vele bhayi shop makadlale. Look Bartman kangadlale against iZesco on Sunday naye kunyanzelekile ba makadlale for you can't overplay ezinye players. So Bartman uzophinda afumane enye chance umtshana naye home city yakhe in front of his family against Stellenbosch. Bani makadlala uzodlala ngoku ungathanda zifans. Umdu uzoqala yamdu I think uzoqala umdu because umfundo beqalile. Amachita ngoku bayachinjiselana ngala number 10 position. I-best friends bebene way mos umdu nomfundo bangathi abazipasela ezinye players nje like human nature bafethu ba okay i-best friend yakho sometimes when une option ezithu uzayipasela sometimes ngeke bona senzeka lo kancane. So ngoku Machita ngoku suddenly bavela bazibona becompete iposition e1 ngoku kuze umfundo yeke udlala icaleni udlala number 10 ebeqale ke matches Zesco. So again umdu soze ngadlala le match Stellenbosch you understand. And useqala kwa umdu eneke enye iplayer bafethu nayo ngomshita enye top player le bafethu qaish into ezizekayo inside the club by Kaizer Chiefs kanjani in terms of discipline yakhe umjita plus the work ethic but the class yakhe equality experience yakhe the ndithetha ngobantu ngoGaston Sirino ngokuthiwa ke 100% ubuyile ngokumjita naye kule match expect ba makastart kule match Stellenbosch. Le match bafethu ulilepo I think uzophinda start again ulilepo because I think indlela adlala ngayo ulilepo ayikho demanding man umjita wenza runs but wenza i-runs like boni. And let's be honest uLilepo ka defend kakhulu uMachida aka track back kakhulu so uMchita ifitness yakhe I think allow nga start game ezi2 and apha sesibonile apha kule teams zethuba ezona changes zenzeka ki front line actually because I defense akutshintshwa ngako I defense which is Ilaway super quality Kaizer Chiefs this season futhi and then midfield abachinje ngako midfield bachinje nje last weekend ka wadrotsha uNdlovu because uNdlovu ubona xa number 8 there's a lot of running oyenzayo mfethu like intense position so uyabaqala uNkosingiphile I think uzophinda adlale namhlanje futhi uNkosingiphile I'm not sure bazoqala na mhlawumbe ngaqala noMabaso like Thulani Mabaso ngayizo bafumana full opportunity yayo because Kaizer Chiefs obviously the priorities apha with competition badlala kuzo CAF Confederation Cup ne-League Nedbank Cups isithathu so Thulani Mabaso anoba surprise bangaqala naye apha Kaizer Chiefs at the same time izoba under pressure ngoza coaches ulebo hangmabo anokwazi bafithe millions izovaya ngoku uyasala mthithi ubuye injury beke waba out umabo you can't start and play the matches ezi 6-7 zilandelelana no risk injury ngoku izoba a tough decision by say a coaches niggas drop umabo the best player Kaizer Chiefs right now number 6 working number 6 position Ox injured mos and Danchilo kadala angumthanda ukundanchilo but they mandanchilo nathi base Kaizer Chiefs nenza kanjani how can ngamsana number 6 ozoba icover kamabo Mabongo uzo drop form kanye sebe injured ngoku you can't start him ngomso okanye izodlala 45 minutes Kaizer Chiefs ijonge phi njani ngasayini i-defense number 6 omnye uyicover for uLandus hey hayi Kaizer Motaung Junior bafethu so Kaizer Chiefs asiyazi bakusejonga bayodlala 6 maybe uNgcobo uzodlala 6 I mean uNdlovu uzodlala 6 uzoqala number 6 position uLanduza umsephise ehlenge ngophi quality player but I'm not so sure about it what do you call this the positional discipline yakhe because umchita by nature naturally in natural game yakhe umchita very mobile in movement he loves to run number 6 position funeka be careful unless Kaizer Chiefs izakwenza tactical setup ba okay ube khona umuntu qho uNdlovu xa iluze positional discipline okanye xa inyenzelekile okanye nje naturally ba xa senza runs kuzaba khona umuntu ozokuzavela drop pha angene pha kula mnqunyu iwe technical team izoyenza lo way but Mabasa noNdlovu bangaqala noNkosingiphile Ngcobo naye angaqala kanye mhlawumbe badlale nge-midfield 3 yabo which means akuzoba khona u10 if badlala nge-midfield 3 akuzoba khona u10 but yeah sizobona bafethu Stellenbosch nayo story si like le match iwatsho le match izoba taka inhlanzi bafethu wes night game futhi cup game Stellenbosch under pressure Gavin Hunt sedlala 3 matches so far Stellenbosch waqala grand watyise kukhona United and then wadlala back to back games CAF Confederation Cup against the top team as Algeria CR phela ubustad ayingomaqatha lawana batyiwa 2-0 Algeria qho batyiwa 3-0 Cape Town so Gavin Hunt le game obviously Stellenbosch sakhe sizoba ne-tempo sizoba aggressive sifuna uwina kule game sifuna ukwenza statement against Kaizer Chiefs so le match izosuka bafethu this is a game to watch 7:30 DHL Stadium Stellenbosch nayo sine-players isidala sifuna uzibona nazo ba okay ajonga nina niphethe ntoni inazo new signings Tshegofatso Mabaso the platform this stage just enjoy yazi ba okay jonga the whole country is going to be watching because I think Sundowns neParis Saint-Germain so izoba i-platform eGaroti le noMabasa naye kusefuna uprove ipoint umchita naye phansi wana Kaizer Chiefs contract yakhe neStellenbosch I mean contract yakhe ePirates yaphela ngoJune so iStellenbosch sizabe sijonge ba okay if you impress sumnike i-permanent deal okanye na Kaizer Chiefs belinkwe nayo because naye Kaizer Chiefs angakwazi umchita uyi-impress prove ipoint okanye akazibonisa iquality yakhe Kaizer Chiefs imsign as a free agent xa iphele contract yakhe ePirates ngoJune as enalo impossible because uphi iGodaro nazi kwenza no Kaizer Chiefs bafit iGodaro waqala grand nina vele waduka ngoku kanti ve injury report So maybe andiyazi kwenzeka ntoni phaa, but kuse possibility kamabasa Kaizer Chiefs kuse on, especially xa ideal yakhe eParis iphela ngoJune, uke 6 months loan ngeStellenbosch. There's a few more players phaa kwiStellenbosch sifuna uzibona grand. Wonderboy Makubu qobofika phaa kwiStellenbosch naye umjida sabona uba uphethe ntoni. Ukubamelo Khodisanga akadlala ngikamboni kwiStellenbosch naye umjida akadlala. Musa Lebosa, so zoba imatch grand bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs izakwenza changes and nyanzelekile, and ewenthendayo ngale way futhi coaches njengoba zikhalazo noma imatches ingaka, le way also iyazitesta, iyazitutsa icoach, sawubona iquality yazo ba how good are you, le pressure ingaka as coaches, how do they manage the pressure. That's imatches means landelelana. So can you coach well? Do you have the ability? There's no room to hide for these coaches. So stand alone ngoba zibe under pressure bafethu. Another game. So yeah bafethu, nithini bafethu, thini zeni comments nibona njani le match. These players nifuna uzibona ziqala. I can guarantee you by sizongadlali abantu bafana noSerino plus no Velepai. Pule moja I think no buseno draw kule game because beqalile kula match. Bashinselana man. Asincole comments bafethu. Ngale ngale support channel, shaya like, subscribe. Watch bafethu.